Baby, how are you tonight? You happy bird? Huh? Hi, baby bird. Hi. You the happy bird? This is Baby, our African gray. He's originally from Irma's house, but he's a happy little bird. He's eating right now, but he's not saying too much because he's looking, saying, "What is this going on here? I see this camera in front of me, but I don't know what it is." Hi, baby. Hi, baby bird. It's pretty good. Hmm? This is Baby bird. This is one of our lovebirds. And there's a close-up of Baby right there. See? Hi, baby. Say hi to everybody. You a good bird. This Baby bird. He's more than 25 years old. Isn't that good, baby? Pretty good. Yeah. This is Lucy, our cockatiel. Hi, Lucy. Say hi. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Yeah, it's pretty good, huh? And this is Curly. Say hi, Curly. Hi. Hi. It's pretty good. And this is another one of our lovebirds. Say hi. Hi, Curly. You gonna get close up? You gonna get close up, Curly? And this is Baby. Woof. Woof. What does the dog say, baby? Woof. 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 Woof.